आज का व्लॉग थोड़ा इमोशनल भी है और एक्साइटिंग भी, क्योंकि आज मैं अपना सिटी छोड़ के दूसरी स्टेट जा रही हूँ फॉर वर्क। सच बोलूँ तो थोड़ा डर भी लग रहा है, बट न्यू सिटी, न्यू लाइफ, न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी। सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है। चलो मेरे साथ इस रिलोकेशन जर्नी पर। एंड फाइनली वी आर देयर इन एयरपोर्ट, सो दिस इज़ माई टिकट एंड देन वी वर वेटिंग फॉर द like aeroplane to come. I was not thinking to record the washroom, but the thing is there is a wazoo like section also there, so मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा वो चीज़ देखकर। देन हम लोग ने प्लेन बोर्ड किया। तो ये सब देखकर ये लग रहा है कि लाइफ कितना जल्दी चेंज हो जाता है। कल तक सब कुछ नॉर्मल था और आज पूरा लगेज पैक हो गया। तो ये जर्नी के लिए मैं रेडी हूँ, बट सच बताओ तो मिक्स फीलिंग है, एक्साइटमेंट भी है और थोड़ा इमोशनल भी। दिस इज़ हाउ द लाइफ इज़, टोटली अनसर्टेन। इट वॉज फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई गॉट मेस्मराइज्ड बाय क्लाउड। कितना अच्छा व्यू था ऊपर से, लाइक मैं ये बयां भी नहीं कर सकती। Then we got complimentary food, that was Maggie, and there was chai as well. Then we landed. So this is the view. Let me tell you the good part of this company where I am working currently. So they have provided me the hotel. So this is like reserved by the office itself. So they provided me this hotel where this is the cupboard. This is like really very like spacious, and now you can watch everything in this video. Left hand side you will be seeing the washroom. So if I show you the washroom. And now, so over here you can keep all the like slippers of yours, and then this is the bedroom part. So over here they have provided 2 lamp. So this is night lamp, and this side you can see the AC is there. So here you can see that there are a lot of switches. So over here you will be not knowing which switch to like on it or close it, because if you close it, it goes on. If you like on it, it goes close. So this is how I look. This is my OOTD, and here like you will be seeing a big curtain is there, and this is here which they have provided the table, study table type of thing is here. This is the television. So after removing the curtain, this is how the view is, and the view is like really very great. If you just sit here and just look at the view, see, this is how it just look. So let's just open the balcony. So this is what the balcony looks like. Inside the hotel, here we came for the breakfast. So this is the cafeteria of the hotel itself, and it was a bit rainy outside. And then उसके बाद हम लोग वेट कर रहे थे कि क्या ब्रेकफास्ट में मिलेगा. So here comes the breakfast. It was uttapam, and it was really very delicious. Even sambar, musambi juice was also there. So first day I was free from the work, so there was nothing to do. So I asked my father, let's go outside. This is here my father and me. So we were like traveling through auto, and you must have till now guessed it, like what state it is. अगर आप कभी न्यू सिटी शिफ्ट हुए हो या होने वाले हो, कमेंट में ज़रूर बताओ. और अगर व्लॉग अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना भूलना मत. सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.